Welcome everyone, you've transferred data to your iPhone 14 Pro, but now you're stuck on a black screen. It's not responding to touch. If you click the power button, it's doing nothing. Okay, so my iPhone is working, but if yours is not, this fix will 100% work. So we need to do a key combination. I'm going to show you what it is, then let's do it together. So just keep on watching. You're going to click and release, volume up, then click and release, volume down, and finally you're going to click and hold the power button until you see the Apple logo. Let's do this together because the timing is quite strict. So get your iPhone 14 Pro. We're starting in 3, 2, 1. Let's go. Click release volume up, click release volume down, click and hold the power button, and just keep this one held down. You're not going to see a slide to power off screen, most likely. You'll probably still see a black screen. That's okay. Just keep on holding the power button. Do not release the power button. Just keep it held down. And once you see the Apple logo, you can now release from the power button, and it really is that simple. If you had issues, this timing here with the buttons is quite strict. So rewind the video, do the power key, the volume keys combination like I do, and you will get it down eventually. With that being said, thanks for watching. If you'd like to support me, buy anything from Amazon with my affiliate link in the description and I get a kickback. Bye bye.